everyone, it's Maggie from My Favorite Things. I have a quick video. It's an unboxing and a reveal. So before, I'm just gonna make this really quick. Hopefully I'll be able to make it quick. So it came in this bag and I actually opened it up. I just got it today, but I opened it up to make sure that everything was okay. I did check it at the store, but of course I couldn't wait before that. So here it is. Here's a receipt. I had to order this one in advance because they didn't have it at the store. Whenever they got it in, they were sold out. And so I ordered this in April, early April of this year. So that's about 2 months ago. It finally came in, and it came in this box. I love these boxes that are magnetic. So it came in this box. And this dust bag, and I think the price for this is $850 plus tax, almost mid 900s. I don't remember exactly. And it's the giant Monogram Kirigami. I've seen this in, like, you know, regular big size bag, and I'm not quite. I don't really like it in a big bag, but in a SLG, I fell in love with it. And I love this neutral color. It's this khaki color. This is a large size. And then you have the medium size. I'm sure you may have seen, there's a lot of YouTube videos on Kirigami. And it comes in the canvas and monogram, comes in giant monogram. It also has the black one with the little cats on it, and then epi. I saw it in epi in Europe this year when I was traveling there, and I was thinking about this year or last year, I don't remember, but I was thinking about getting it, and my husband and my daughter said, "What are you going to use that for?" And I really couldn't figure out why I would want it, so I ended up not getting it. And then when I had the Pochette METIS, which had quality issues, so they gave me the full credit. Anyway, so when I returned that and it was deemed to have quality issues, I had store credit, and I didn't know what to get, because I have to say the bags that I was kind of interested in getting was Alma BB in epi leather, and epi leather is around $1,700, and I think that I can get it pre-loved for much less than that, so I don't want to get it from the store. I also looked at Lock Me BB and my Lock Me BB. It's the one with a back pocket, zipper, you can wear it crossbody. It's really cute. It has the same sort of function and look as a Pochette METIS, but small, cute, really cute. And I bought that one time. I mean, I bought that and paid extra because, you know, they weren't the same price. Pochette METIS reverse monogram is cheaper than my Lock Me BB by several $100s. So I bought it, brought it home, and literally within half an hour I took it back. I don't even think I did any videos on it because I brought it home. There was nothing wrong with it, but then I looked at pre-loved sites and it was like $500 cheaper. And it was like in excellent condition. And so, and plus, I wasn't sure when I put my stuff in it, in the bag, it felt really heavy to me. And the strap, even though it's got the leather, it felt like it was digging into my shoulder. So I returned it. I returned it within half an hour. Then I was thinking also of the other bag that in Louis Vuitton. There's no other bag that I've been really like, oh God, I gotta have that in Louis Vuitton. So I looked at the bags, didn't see anything I liked. SLGs I got, so that's why when this came out, I thought, oh God, if I can get my hands on it. So I went to the store and tried to find this, and they said they didn't have any in the store, but that they could order it for me. Actually, they weren't even sure that they could order it. And he says, I'm not sure if we could even order it. And then my sales associate went into the computer system. She goes, oh yeah, I can order it. I thought I couldn't. So I just ordered it, not really knowing that what I would use it for. I still am not quite sure I mean, I've seen enough YouTube videos to, you know, seen what people are using it for. So I think I will use it a lot. But I ordered it figuring, you know, if I don't like it, I know the resale values of these have been really, really good because it's so difficult to get. So if I didn't like it, I could either return it or not accept it, right? Because you could order and not accept, but they do charge your money. They do charge before they order. But I think, you know, you could always, if I didn't like it, I figure I could always refuse to accept or not accept it, and then they will refund me the money. So, but I got it today, and I actually really, really like it. So this is a large, this is a medium, and the inside, all the inside is like this. This is a sort of nude color, and then I have a piece of paper here I just put in, and then this is a small. And the small, I know a lot of people use this for credit cards. So I think I'm gonna use this for credit cards as well. And the medium, I know people use this for like passport and stuff, but I'm not gonna use it for passport because I need quick access to my passports. And I don't wanna have to like open it up, get my passport out or whatever. So I think I can put receipts, papers, little paraphernalias, and use it as a little pouch. Or it doesn't fit my large iPhone XS Max, but I'm not sure if it'll fit a regular iPhone 6. I don't have iPhone 6 or iPhone XS. So maybe if you guys have this, and if you have an iPhone, smaller iPhone or whatever kind of phone, maybe you could write down whether, if this can fit cell phones. This can fit cell phones, and it can fit my small wallets. It can fit my, it's like a little purse. In fact, I have seen people buy like little pouches, and there's pouches that go in each one of these that have little holes in the side so that you can hook chain through it and you wear it as crossbody. So I've seen people wear this as a crossbody. I was thinking that would be really cute too, and that's why I thought I could use this for. But more I thought about it, I think that might cause just having that chain, because this is a little bit, this side is a little bit, it comes out a little bit, see? I think that what's gonna happen is that if you have a pouch inside, insert inside, and you put a chain over it, you're gonna scratch this part, I think. So I am not like, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do anything that might possibly jeopardize the glazing on the side. But maybe if you guys have used it, if any of you have used that and see no problems, I mean, I'd love to hear from you. But just the structure of this would make me think that that might cause some problems. So when I got this, I was like inspecting it. Oh my gosh, I was like hoping that it would be perfect, because I didn't want to return it, because I know that you cannot order this anymore. I mean, you can't buy this anymore. It's not online, and they told me that they don't make it anymore. So this is really, really hard to come by. So the other thing, there was a little bit of glazing here. It goes just tiny bit over, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep it. I'm super happy with this, and I can't wait to use it. I can fit my credit cards in here, but I cannot fit my business cards. My business cards are slightly wider, so this will just have to be used for my credit card. So I'm gonna put in my credit card like that, see? Okay, and I think this will be good for my credit cards. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. Okay, the other item that I got with the credit I have is this. This is, it's in the men's section, and this is the coin. I'll put the description of what it is below. But it's with silver, with gray. I actually have been loving using it. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I have to, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit difficult to get the cards out from here because when it's not full and I'm not doubling up. Well, actually I have doubled up on the first slot, I've doubled up. But every other and the last one I've doubled up. But when I try to get the cards out when it's full, it's a little bit hard. You have to really sort of get your finger in there and grab it and pull it out. But I guess it's less likely to just drop off. It won't slide off. And the zipper is amazing. I do have to fold my bill in half. So I have to fold my bill in half. Okay, so here's US dollars. And I'm not sure whether the foreign other currencies will fit into the middle pouch, but I figured I could put coins in here, and you could put this on this side, which is really nice. They also have, you can put your money in this side, so it goes in like that, or I could put it inside and use this section for receipts. So I can just put it inside like this and zip it up and also if I have some coins, I can put it in here as well. I don't tend to have too many coins. Like when I just got back from Japan, and in Japan everything is cash. I mean, a lot of people seem to want cash. So I had so many coins. Oh my gosh, my purse was heavy just with carrying the coins. So I can see why in a country like that, or countries where it's more cash based, that you would want like maybe a coin purse. But for US, I mean, I don't even use cash most of the time. A lot of times it's just credit cards. So I have absolutely been loving this. And the other thing about this is that unlike like small wallets, this is really thin. That's what I like about it. In a small purse, not only does it fit like at least 4, possibly more, because you could put cards on this side, which I wouldn't though, because I would be afraid that my cards would fall out on this side. This side though, it's really tight, plus or minus, right? Because it's harder to get it out. But it's so thin that it fits into all my small purses. Like when I was wearing my Gucci Mini Marmont, this was perfect. This one and this one, this is what I had. I had my keys here, I had my wallet here, and I was good to go. So now I'm gonna use some more credit cards here. So what I'm gonna do is normally I have my driver's license and my keys. Okay, so if I don't need my credit cards, I'm just gonna take this and run out the door. If I need credit cards, I'll take these two. I hope that this white doesn't get yellow over time. I don't know. If those of you if you have had this for a while, I'd love to know what you think of the white. You know how sometimes the white becomes a little bit yellowish? I'm a little worried about that. But these, oh, they're so great. That's it. If you like more detailed reviews on this, I would be happy to do it. But for now, this is a quick reveal, I guess, unboxing, because I just got this. I think that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I will talk to you later. Bye.